Hello everyone. The agenda of this lecture is to understand the meaning of the words analysis, analyst, business analysis, and business analyst. We will also see the definition of business analyst in an IT organization. Analysis is the detailed examination of the elements or structure of something. It is the process of breaking a complex topic or substance into smaller parts in order to gain a better understanding of it. For example, if we provide someone with a lot of numbers in an Excel sheet or a notepad, those numbers do not make a lot of sense. But if we do analysis on the data, or in simple terms, data analysis, then we convert the data into meaningful charts and graphs so that the user who is looking can draw some conclusion from it. Let us deep dive into this example. The Excel sheet on the screen has sales data of a company for the year 2019 and 2020. By just looking at the sheet, there is not much information we can draw. But after the data analysis, we have drawn numerous charts so that the owner of the company can get answers to a lot of questions easily, and he'll be able to take better decisions for the company. Looking at these charts, which are a result of the analysis, we can see who are the good performing sales representative and who are not so good. We could also see the product which is highest in demand and sold the most. These meaningful answers help us to make better decisions, and this is termed as analysis. Analyst. Who is an analyst? A person who conducts analysis is an analyst. In day-to-day life, you will hear words like financial analyst, handwriting analyst, industry analyst, etc. These are all the people who do detailed examination of topics in their field so that it makes more sense and gives better understanding to people and their business. Let us now understand the meaning of business analysis. As defined by IIBA, International Institute of Business Analysis, business analysis is the practice of enabling change in an organizational context by defining needs and recommending solutions that deliver value to stakeholders. In other words, it is the process to understand and improve the business. Next, let us come to the definition of business analyst. Any person who performs business analysis tasks, no matter their job title or organizational role, is called as a business analyst. A business analyst helps businesses do business better. In simple words, he is an enabler to increase profit and reduce cost by bringing in new processes or changing the existing ones. Let us understand this with an example. The CEO of a retail company is not very happy with the growth of the company. So he hires a business analyst for this job. The business analyst comes in as a subject matter expert and studies all the existing processes of the company, and he suggests adding or changing the way the company is doing business. If, after his analysis, he feels that they are making very less profit in selling pencils and a high amount of profit selling pens, then they should increase the production of pens and slightly decrease the production of pencils. He might also suggest ways to reduce the operational cost. He can suggest an app to track the delivery of drivers and optimize the way the delivery is done so that they have to make lesser trips from the warehouse to the retail stores. He can also suggest ways to improve their customer base by advertising in social media or giving discounts for a specific product for a period of time to attract more buyers. Let us come to the important question of who is a business analyst in an IT organization or an IT project. Business analysts are responsible for bridging the gap between the IT team and the business. Please note the word business, which is highlighted here. The meaning of business here is the owner or someone who wants the project to be completed, or someone who is paying for the project. He can be the CEO of the company or a head of department who has put up a request for a software development to improve his department's performance and has agreed to finance the project. From this point on, we may also use the acronym BA instead of Business Analyst, with the assumption that we are referring to the BA in an IT or software development organization. So a BA understands what is best for the business to run and how it should be achieved through a software development project. They then convey this message and understanding to the IT team so that they can work on the same goal. BAs are the bridge of requirements understanding for various teams and departments. Let us understand this by an example. A BA has proposed for a new app for the delivery drivers. It is approved by the management and now it becomes a project. The BA will gather business requirements and communicate to the software development team. And when we say business requirements, we mean that what is the app expected to do? What will be its features? The entities on the left side of your screen are termed as business, which will include decision makers and subject matter experts. They may not be very technical people, but will understand their business operations to the core. On the right side of your screen, you see the software development team. They will be very technical people and may face difficulties to understand the correct business requirements. A BA will act as a bridge or a translator between these two sections in order to execute the project successfully. The software development team is a generic term, and it will comprise of multiple people and teams like project managers, software architects, software developers, software testers, software operations team, maintenance and support team, software security team, and hardware or the server team. Every name in the screen is a stakeholder in the project, and the job of the BA is to help gather correct requirements and communicate to all these teams so that they clearly understand what needs to be delivered to make the project successful. Now that we have understood who is a business analyst in an IT organization, we will deep dive into his roles in the upcoming lectures.